Hi, my name is Alan Michaels. Today I would like to show you how to get started with AngularJS. So let's go ahead and get started. So here I have a Visual Studio 2015 with a .NET Core project and a static HTML page that I already have open. So we need two things to get started with Angular. We need the reference to the AngularJS library. So we can go ahead and add this reference to the library through the AngularJS file. And another thing that we need to get started with Angular is a ng-app directive. So now we have the library and the directive. We can add our first expression, which is double curly braces, and here we can add 2 plus 2. Now this 2 plus 2 is actually going to be added inside of the framework. So if we run this, we should be able to see the result of 2 plus 2 and not double curly braces and 2 plus 2. And here it is. It's 4. Unless you think it's 5. So when we have this, very easy way and simple way to get the thing started. But in order for us to enable a model binding, what we need to do is we need to initialize the state of our scope object. So to do that, we'll move our ng-app up to the HTML tag, which will cover our whole page, and we will actually give it a name. Let's call it my app. And in the body, we'll go ahead and add our controller. Controller is in charge of managing our model data, and we'll call this main controller. And here we can go ahead and add our expression again and just put a message. So this is all we need on HTML side to be able to bind our data to the Angular. Now in our site.js, which is our own JavaScript file, is where we can go ahead and do our initializing. So here we can declare a variable called myApp and create our Angular module. And we have to give it the name, which is name of our app, myApp. And then we go ahead and initialize our scope through the controller. So the first parameter here is name of our controller, which is a main controller. And here our first parameter is the scope. And then function that takes the scope. And just like that, we initialized our scope object. And then we can go ahead and start adding things to it. So we can say scope.message equals hello Angular. Of course, what we need here is we also need to add a reference to our file because it's an outside file. So let's go ahead and drop that after our Angular. And the tricky thing here is we will see that if thing is not running correctly, we just get basically the text that we entered here. So something isn't right here. Most likely it's, I can see right here that I have a capital P here for my app, and this is a definitely JavaScript, which is a case-sensitive language. Can't have things like that. And here we go. Hello Angular. So I hope this video helped you with, just showing you how easy it is to get started with Angular. In the next video that I'm going to put on as for Angular is going to be actually accessing the server side through the $HTTP object. And that's where kind of fun actually starts with Angular. So hopefully tune in, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be putting a lot of really cool little videos that will help you with your development. Thanks again for watching.